Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the Calculator Photo Vault from the App Store and confirming the developer to avoid fakes. Once done, grant camera and storage access so the Vault can save and import images. Enable biometric only if you want quicker access. Next, create a strong calculator-style PIN and add a recovery email or phrase in case you forget the code. This combination protects files and keeps the app functionally disguised as a calculator for plausible deniability. You now import content. Use the app's import feature to select from gallery or capture with the camera so metadata is handled correctly. Then organize by creating folders or tags. Folders let you set different privacy settings and tags make searching faster. Once content is imported, batch move and rename items to a consistent scheme, which reduces accidental exposure. Make sure to check that thumbnails are hidden and that folders are locked. This keeps sensitive media both reachable for you and hidden from casual observers. You access the Vault through the calculator interface, enter the PIN or use biometric unlock. Employ the decoy mode if you need a safe fallback. For data durability, enable encrypted cloud backup and schedule periodic exports to an encrypted local file so you can restore if the device fails. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use your recovery phrase immediately. If that fails, contact the developer's support with purchase or registration proof. A final tip: update the app to patch security issues regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.